Hi, I'm Kirk Thorne with Roseville Buick GMC. Today, we'll take a look at how to connect Android Auto to your brand new GMC vehicle. To connect your Android phone to the Android Auto in your new GMC vehicle, all you have to do is go to Android Auto on the screen and click Connect Phone. As soon as you do that, on the bottom of your phone screen, it will come up with My GMC. You click that, and it will pair to the vehicle. Once that's done, it will ask us a few questions to go through, and we'll have to allow a few permissions in the phone. And as soon as we do that, the permissions are done, the settings are done on the phone, your Android Auto comes up right in your vehicle like that. Very easy and very simple. I hope you were able to connect your Android phone to Android Auto in your brand new GMC vehicle. If you had any trouble, feel free to reach us on our website or call in. Thank you very much.